Welcome back to Top First Channel, your go-to source for all the latest automotive headlines. Today, we've got a rather shocking story that's been making waves in the automotive world. And it's all about the Tesla Cybertruck and its controversial crash test results. First that I would like to speak with you is the Cybertruck's design will hurt you. The Tesla Cybertruck's distinctive angular design and tough stainless steel exoskeleton are causing quite a stir among safety experts. They're concerned that this unique design might pose risks to pedestrians, cyclists, and even occupants of other vehicles on the road. According to Reuters, several safety professors and officials have had the opportunity to view Tesla's crash tests of the Cybertruck. These videos were streamed during Tesla's delivery event on November 30th. Adrian Lund, the former president of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, expressed concern about the stiff stainless steel exterior, stating, "The big problem there is if they really make the skin of the vehicle very stiff by using thick stainless steel, then when people hit their heads on it, it's going to cause more damage to them." Tesla, on the other hand, has been quick to defend its design choices. They've claimed that the truck's structure is engineered to absorb impact during a crash, with cold-rolled stainless body panels designed to mitigate damage. The front and rear structures also feature energy-absorbing ribs, and the skin of the door takes on a majority of the crash load in a side impact scenario. However, Amer Hamdar, an auto safety professor at George Washington University, raised concerns about the limited crumple zones in the Cybertruck. He suggested the possibility of a shock-absorbent mechanism compensating for this limitation. Tesla CEO Elon Musk himself boldly stated, "If you have an argument with another car, you will win," which, while it may sound appealing to some, raises concerns about the potential consequences for occupants of other vehicles involved in a collision. Julia Griswold, director of the University of California, expressed alarm after watching the crash test videos, particularly noting the heavy weight and high acceleration of the Cybertruck, which she believes raise concerns for non-occupants. While U.S. regulators rely on automakers to self-test and certify their adherence to safety standards, crash test data is still awaited to confirm or dispel these safety concerns. One thing's for sure, you wouldn't want to be on the wrong side of a Cybertruck crash. The Tesla Cybertruck has garnered significant attention for its unique design and safety features, as well as its crash test performance. Despite its compliance with federal motor vehicle safety standards, the Cybertruck does not have official safety ratings from the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Tesla has performed its own in-house crash testing, which is standard for vehicle manufacturers to ensure compliance with federal regulations. The Cybertruck's crash test performance has been a topic of much discussion. In tests performed at the Giga Texas Tesla Crash Lab, the Cybertruck underwent full front, side impact, and rollover crash tests. The full frontal crash test at 35 mph showed that the cabin of the truck did not sustain much damage, but there were criticisms regarding occupant safety in this type of impact. In the side impact test at 38 mph and the rollover test at 16 mph, the Cybertruck performed well, thanks to its stainless steel door and low center of gravity due to the battery pack floor. Additionally, a ditch rollover crash test was conducted, simulating what would happen if the vehicle veered off the road into a ditch, causing it to roll over. The aftermath of this test was captured in a video showing the Cybertruck's rear seat and included an 8-inch screen, similar to those in the Model SX and refreshed Model 3. The video revealed the vehicle's interior post-crash, including the rear seat area with some debris. The Tesla Cybertruck's unique design features full hard, cold-rolled stainless steel body panels designed to absorb impact during a crash. The front and rear underbody castings have energy-absorbing ribs to help dissipate crash energy. In side crashes, the skin of the door carried the majority of the crash load. However, the Cybertruck's rigidity and structure received criticism for its limited crumple zones. In a comparison with internal combustion engine, ICE, pickup trucks, the Cybertruck showed less penetration in the frontal crash test and excellent performance in the side impact test. As for official safety ratings, the NHTSA and IIHS have not yet tested the Cybertruck. The NHTSA clarified that the Cybertruck would not have official ratings until it is tested by the agency directly. The IIHS may consider testing the Cybertruck in the future, depending on the level of consumer interest in the vehicle. In conclusion, while the Tesla Cybertruck has demonstrated robustness in its in-house crash tests, its official safety ratings from key agencies are still pending, and there are concerns about certain aspects of its safety performance in specific crash scenarios. Tesla enthusiasts and the public will have to wait for more comprehensive safety evaluations to get a fuller picture of the Cybertruck's crash-worthiness. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.